In this video, we will demonstrate how to install our screen door hardware. The door and door jamb needs to be prepared as per the supplied template. These are the components included in the kit. Make sure the door is at least 1 1/8 inches to 1 3/8 inches thick. If your door is 1 3/4 inches thick, you need an available thick door kit to complete the installation. Verify the bevel of the latch is facing towards the door jamb. If necessary, turn the bevel 180 degrees for the correct orientation. Install the mortise lock in the edge of your door and secure with 2 screws. Secure the trim faceplate with 2 screws. Install the exterior trim and the interior trim, and use the 2 screws to complete the installation of the trim. Orient the spindle so the groove faces down towards the lower hinge. Insert the spindle from the exterior side and center it on the door. Install the set screw halfway into the exterior lever with an Allen wrench. Slide the lever onto the spindle while holding the spindle in position from the opposite side of the door. Tighten the set screw fully. Install the set screw halfway into the interior lever and slide the lever onto the spindle. Hold the exterior lever tight to the door and tighten the interior lever set screw. Test the engagement of your lock. Your estate screen door hardware is now installed.